Okay. Let's remember our pictures in English. And then we're going to start learning numbers and letters. Okay. Maggie, do you remember the car? Hold on. You guys need to be able to see this, right? A car. Good job, Maggie. Hold on. Okay. So where is the grapes? Grape. Good job, Maggie. You remember it. Show me zebra, Maggie. Zebra. Zebra. Show me zebra. No. That's a zebra, right? You forgot? Or you can't see her? Zebra. That's right. Show me an apple. That's my finger. An apple. That's an apple, right? Good. Oops. Show me tomato. Good baby. She's getting really well retrained in English. Wow. I'm impressed with my baby. Okay, show me a bus. Good job, Maggie. That's a bus. I don't know, can you guys see it? I'm concentrating on Maggie. I don't even know if I'm showing the cards where you can see it. Okay, show me a house. Yeah, you can see it. That's a house. Wow, done. Well done, my baby. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? We have, okay. Okay, let's see. Show me carrots. Good job, Maggie. That's a carrot. Show me orange. Good. How about a star? Good job. Very good. Okay, what else did we learn? Oh, here we have. Okay, where's the monkey? Good baby. That's the monkey. You know, it fascinates me that she doesn't forget. Some things she remembers so well. Like the pictures, we cannot do it for, I don't know, a few days or a week or a month, and she still remembers it. It's amazing. How about a dog? That's a dog. That's very good. Okay, let's figure out what else we know. Okay, we know this. And we know this. And what else do we know? Okay, we know this. All right, let's try this. Maggie, where is the frog? Good job, Maggie. That's the frog. Maggie, corn. Good. Very good. Maggie, bird. Wow. This is my baby. This is my baby. Okay, let's learn something new today. I think she knows the horse, but that's okay. Oh, here it is. Maggie, I think you know those already. You already learned those, yes? Show me a lion. Good, 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 good. Again, and I'm going to repeat it for you guys all the time. Don't look that Maggie trains for so long. She's been doing it for 3 years now. Every single day, she's used to it and she loves it. And that's why I push it to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It doesn't matter. But for the new beginners, for new birds who are just starting out, please make sure you don't do it more than 2 or 3 minutes. So you don't want to overwhelm the bird. It's new for them. Their brain gets fried because this is new challenge for their brain. And they just stop wanting to do it. They get completely overwhelmed. And then it takes forever to change it because I had to retrain Maggie. I did this when I started out with her. I'd push her. And then she just got burned out. So, okay, the sun. Good job, Maggie. Okay, let's go. 3. Horse. That's a horse. That's amazing. Show me the sun. How about an owl? Show me an owl. Good. She did it twice. She showed me an owl twice. Good baby. I know that we have a tiger somewhere that you know. There is a tiger somewhere. There was a tiger somewhere. Okay. A tiger and a car. Almost running out of this cards, but there is another side of it. Oh, okay. That's what it is. She knows these. Okay. All right. So Maggie, show me a tiger. Right. Maggie, lemon. Amazing. Just amazing. Never cease to amaze me. Okay, so let's calculate how many pictures she knows now. So she knows zebra, a grape, house. So that's house and orange, that's 4. An apple and a star, that's 6. A car and a carrot, that's 8. A tomato, 9. Bus and the pear, 11. Dog, 12. Monkey, 13. Lion, 14. Sun, 15. Horse, 16. An owl, 17. Corn, 18. Frog, 19. A bird, 20. A lemon, 21. And a tiger, 22 pictures already. She remembers 22 pictures, people. That's just amazing. But in Russian, she remembers all of them on both sides, almost all of them on both sides.